Well, guys, we have a new sport. I'm going to talk about the scariest Halloween story ever since some kid just ran in the person's house. Then the person was gonna give him a big giant candy. Just kidding, you don't have to worry about that. Well, hello guys. Today we're doing a video about DIYs and making cool stuff that we're gonna make. You see, these are the pumpkins that are already made. You're gonna see this fun one. This one is you're gonna paint your own. I might make a mess. You're gonna paint your own colors, and I'm gonna paint purple and all of them. So as well, I'm gonna be starting off with the pumpkin. So you're gonna see now. Wait up just a moment. These are the pumpkins. What? As you see, this is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna look like this. They have cuts, I guess, and then a little scary, cute face. You can make it as whatever pumpkin you want, but it's more better with these. If I break it, it's gonna be worse. Okay. Oh, let's get started. Move this in the side and put this right here. As you can't see, guys, well, I'm gonna just move this to the side so you can see more. You know, whatever I just said. Okay, I don't have to open it that way. It's like, oh, I see. Oh, it's almost gonna get cut. No. Okay, so here we have this stuff for the Halloween pumpkin. First, you get a little cute bow. And then scary, spooky eyes, as you see. Well, you can put it whatever way you want. You can buy 3 because it costs $1. It's very cheap. And then we got the nose right here, and then the other cuts, the cuts for the face. So let me just get started. You're right not gonna see it, but I'm gonna show you after I'm done. Okay. Okay. Got the first part done. Okay, so here is the first part that I have done, and then I'm gonna do the next parts. You can do it however way you want, and I'm gonna show you the final results. That I hope I don't break it. Don't break it, Missy. Don't break it. Here, we're almost finished with our pumpkin. I just can't wait to do this one next. I love paint. Get to the nose. You know, if I do it wrong, it doesn't matter. You can do it however way you want. It looks cute like this. It looks freaky like this. And then cuter like this. Which one do you like? This one that is in the poster, or this one is that I'm almost finished? You can say it's not creepy at all. Yeah, put right here. On the top, I just put the cut right there. Here's the other cut. I actually did it wrong because I couldn't find any more no space. Well, I tried my best. Please don't break. Please don't break. Please don't break. Here we go. Wait. Oh, I guess it's so this and this. Okay. Last part is a mouth. We have a big smile. Cuteness. And look what we have. A cute little girl. A cute little Halloween dressed up little girl. She actually put eye contact in her eyes, and then the white parts she put eye contacts. They were all like, what do I say? Okay, this is the final result of the little pumpkin, and I'm gonna name her. I'm gonna name her Lily. Yes, little girl can be named Lily. Okay. Here I got this one. I'm gonna put on. It looks so cute. It looks like two pigtails. Oh my god, so adorable. I'm putting this right on. And then, this is how I look. Let's just get onto the painting. I'm gonna remove all of these. Before we make a mess, we're gonna pause the video before we make a mess. We're gonna move all of this. And we're gonna put this in the middle. We're gonna move this where heavy. Oh well. Okay guys, move this to the side. Oh, sorry, pumpkin Liam. Pumpkin Liam. Okay, pretty good. I thought it was never bad. Okay, time to open. Alrighty, got it. My bad. Okay, so we have the colors out and the little one out. I thought it was clay. I just changed the angle for you to see more better. Well, I'm sorry if I take too long. So if you see, this is the color black, color purple, and color orange for Halloween colors. I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna show you what I got. Here's our pumpkin creation we're gonna make. We have all of these designs that we got in here. Well, as you see, this is already how they made it. You can make whatever you want. You can bake, you can DIY, just like this, just like me. Well, I'm gonna get open it. Easy to open. Oops. So here is the pumpkin that we've got. This is the cutter, pumpkin cutter. Okay, as you see, you wanna cut, you wanna stamp and cut, you wanna bake. Well, you can read the steps if you buy this more easier. So you see, they look good in there. Wow. Well, let's get playing. So I'm gonna take this Play-Doh out. Let me get this. Oh my god, yay. Yes. Take this out. I already opened open it. Now time to take it out. Yay! It's so fun. It looks so cool. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to do this. Yeah. Yeah. Make sure you better do this first because it's more better to try. It's like a heart. It's get your body hurts. Your body hurts when you do this. You can see. Yeah. Okay. Oh. I got a bit more. Let's roll. Time to roll up to make it smooth. You can do this, whatever you like. Or you can do this. But pretty better to do this. I'm gonna cut it up in the pumpkin. Make sure you make it smooth before you start cutting the pumpkin and making the designs that you need to make. And then this is what you do. You can do it whatever way. You can put it. You can do this in one way like this. Take off the Play-Doh that's right off here. It's gonna be easier if you had to take it off when you take this off. Just gotta do this before you want to start. Before you want to do this, take off all the Play-Doh off. And then do this. And then you see, easy as pie. Let's do the eyes. I'm gonna take out the eye right here. Let me see. Push this in. Move this out. Ooh, it's stuck in there. Let's see if I can mess it up already. This is the side. Yeah, don't worry about that. Oh, it's stuck too. Oh, easy to look, guys. Mouth. Yes, I'm keeping it this way designed. This inside. Oh. Cute, guys. Look how the final result is. Like it, comment down below. Guys, if you want me to bake cookies with these, make sure to comment down below and say please bake cookies, or you can say whatever you want. Here's a cute result. I'm going to keep this right here for a new design. My designs are already here, and as you can see, I'm going to make this last one design. The colors that we need is black, brown, and purple. And the other designs are going to be, I'm going to choose pink and red. And blue too. I mean dark blue because dark colors are Halloween. Oh my god, they look so beautiful. I'm gonna take out brown. If I can't take it out, I'll just take this all of them out. Take my colors out. As you can see, that I got pink, and purple. Pink and purple, my favorite colors, and blue, brown, and black. Yay! I can't wait. I'm going to move this away because I'm going to use it a little bit in another video. Okay, I'm going to put brown in here. Right here I'm going to put brown. I'm going to mix these colors up together. You know, too excited for this. This is kind of hard. One and purple. together. One. We'll get that soon together. It's too hard to do. Okay. I'm just gonna cut it off like this, if you mind. Yeah. Whoa! Mix. Time to cut it off. We don't have to worry about these. Put it in. I'm gonna take off this. Oh! Yeah, take off the sides before. Oh no. Off this side too, guys. Okay? Our farm result's gonna come in. We're gonna put this in here, leave this in here. So here's our first door we have. Here's the other ones right here. I'm not gonna do the whole thing right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready for these designs, and then you can make it as a cookie, whatever you like, but you gotta do all these steps what you see in here. This is a cookie cutter. You see? It's a scary Halloween cookie cutter. Which design do you like? Well, make sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell, make sure to, if you want to get notifications, I just said hit the bell, make sure to comment down below if you like, which one do you like, and then mostly I like the most is this, and then this, and then this, and I like all of them. Well, make sure to like one design you can choose from all of them. If you like all the designs, just say I like 1, 2, 3, 4. I like all the designs and 4 designs. I mostly like is this one because it's the most funniest and the most cutest, and this one too because it's the most softest and the most cutest, and this one too, the most cutest and the most funnest. I like all of them. So bye-bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. See ya soon again. Make sure to watch my other videos that you have not seen yet. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.